Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anis Widya dengan NIM 10524056 dari kelas IS2 semester 2. Jadi di sini saya akan membacakan teks deskripsi yang telah saya buat tentang hardware, yaitu salah satu hardware yaitu RAM. RAM stand for Random Access Memory, the type of computer memory used to store data currently being used by the processor is called working memory or short-term memory. RAM allows the processor to access data random at high speed while the computer is operating. So, RAM can be used to store information that is being processed or being used by software. And why? RAM is called short-term store because its function is to store data completely while the device is in use. Data in RAM will be lost when the device is turned off or restart. RAM is used to store program and data currently being used by the CPU so that they can be accessed quickly. RAM allows the CPU to access data very quickly so that the device can run application and other processor memory smoothly. RAM only stores temporary program instruction before being forwarded to the hard disk. The program instructions are then forwarded to the hard disk to be processed and stored permanently. And in general, there are two main types of RAM, namely dynamic RAM, DRAM, and static RAM, CRAM. Dynamic RAM is more commonly used in computers because it is cheaper to produce, while static RAM is faster and is used in flash such as the CPU change. The most common type of RAM used in laptop or computer are DRM and SDRM, with DDR as a more modern variant. Laptop usually show them, which is a mini version of the DDR-AM used in desktop computer. For capacity, they usually speed of 4, 8, 16, 32, 128 GB or higher. RAM speed is measured in and indicates how fast data can be transferred. To cost RAM, adjust it to your need, ensure compatibility with your motherboard, and consider dual channel for optimal performance. The main foundation of RAM in computer system include storing data to run application, buffering for input and output operation, and providing workspace for the operating system. The larger the RAM capacity available, the more application can run simultaneously without experiencing a significant decrease in performance. RAM has a direct impact on the responsive and overall performance of a computer system, and the RAM capacity will not be enough to accommodate all the data need. The operating system will use virtual memory stored in store. Mungkin sekian baca bahasa Inggris dari saya. Mohon maaf bila banyak kesalahan kata atau kata yang kurang tepat dalam pengucapan. Saya ucapkan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.